good evening and Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to my channel, English Superstars. I hope you're all fine and having a very good day. Today we are going to start our story week. And this time, the story that we are going to read together is The Hare and the Tortoise. So, let's read the story. One day, all the animals of the jungle were having fun together. A hare told them proudly that he could run very fast. He was making fun of a tortoise for his slow speed. The tortoise challenged the hare to have a race. The hare happily agreed. Now, what is the meaning of proud? Proud means feeling better than others. So the hare was very proud of his speed. Therefore, this tortoise challenged him to have a race together. The race started. The hare ran very fast and left the tortoise far behind. I have much time to reach the finish line. I can have some rest, he thought. So he slept under a tree. The tortoise kept moving slowly. At last, he reached the finish line. The animals loudly cheered for the tortoise. What is cheer? Cheer means shout with joy. So who reached the finish line? The tortoise reached the finish line. And there was the hare. He was sleeping under the tree. The hare woke up from his sleep. The poor hare ran to reach the finish line, but it was too late. The tortoise was over the finish line. Moral of the story is, keep trying even when the things seem hard. Moral means that the lesson that we learned from the story is that we should never give up. Keep trying because slow and steady wins the race. And also never make fun of others. Right? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. Have a very nice day. Allah Hafiz.